I'm dying.
Harold?
Don't forget to pay the gardener, Lillian.
Of course, darling.
Fiona,
Yes, Daddy?
I know I've made many mistakes with you,
It's okay.
but your love for Shrek has taught me so much. My dear boy, I am proud to call you my son.
And I'm proud to call you my frog king dad-in-law.
Now, there is a matter of business to attend to.